Alright, today class we talk about the joints of the lower extremity. First we have the pelvic bone, and the pelvic bone is known as a coxal bone. It's a bone or hip bone. The stiffest pubic joint unites the two pubic bones, and we have the intrapelvic motion. The intrapelvic motion consists of the stiffest pubic joint, which is a cartilaginous joint, and the joint function is amphithoracic. The major ligaments are acute pubic ligament. It spans the pubic symphysis joint inferiorly and stabilizing the joint articular cartilage, and the degree of movement allowed is applicable. Next, we have the circular joints. It's a synovial and fibrous, and the joint function is diathoracic and ambiorthoracic. Ligaments of the circular joint are sacral ligament, sacrotuberous ligament, sacrospinous ligament, and the iliolumbar ligament. Effects of pelvis posture on the spine. The pelvis tilts the sacrum, and the sacrum tilts because it is a part of the bony spine. Sacral base angle that is appropriate is at 30 degrees and is considered to be normal. Anything greater than 30 degrees is increased, and it increases spinal curvature, which is abnormal. The femoral torsion angle is when your toe out posture is lateral rotation of the thigh at the hip joint. Toe in posture is medial rotation of the thigh at the hip joint. Retroversion is a torsion angle marked less than 15 degrees. A torsion angle is the angulation of the femoral head, neck relative to the shaft within it's in the transverse plane. The femoral pelvic rhythm. Rhythm to how the femur of the thigh and pelvic move. This rhythm also is an example of coupled action, wherein two different joint actions tend to be coupled together. The knee joint complex. The tibial-femoral joint is located between the femur and the tibia. The patellofemoral joint is located between the patella and the femur. The tibial-femoral joint is a synovial joint, and the joint function is diathoracic and allows for flexion and extension. It's also medial and lateral rotation, and this is the tibial-femoral joint. The patellofemoral joint is formed between the patella and the femur, and the superior and inferior gliding movements. Tracking is when the patella moves along the femur. The patella also functions to reduce friction between the quadriceps femoris tendon and the femoral condyles. The knee joint angulation measurement is this: the genuvagum and varum. The vagum is defined as an abduction of the tibia relative to the femur and the frontal plane, and the vagum greater than 10 degrees in angle is called mouthpiece. A varum angle at the knee is called bow leg. The Q angle, determined by the intersection of two lines. One line runs from the tibial tuberosity to the center of the patella, and the other line runs from the center of the patella to the anterior superior iliac spine. 15 degrees is a normal age, and the Q angle is named because it represents the angle of pull of the quadriceps femoris over the patella. The genu retrovatum is used to describe the condition in which the knee joint extends in the sagittal plane beyond 10 degrees. The shape of the tibial plateau slopes slightly posteriorly in the center of the person's body, and the waves fall anterior to the knee joint, which is the person is standing.